Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here's a simplified on how to make a beautiful brown crochet pouch. Get brown yarn, crochet hook and scissors. Start with a slip knot on the hook. Chain stitches for the base width. Join the chain into a loop with a slip stitch. Work single crochet stitches into the loop. Keep crocheting in rounds for the base. Increase stitches evenly for a flat circle. Measure your desired size for the pouch. Begin crocheting upwards for the sides. Use single crochet stitches for the height. Add rows until reaching desired height. Cut yarn, leaving a tail for sewing. Thread yarn through a yarn needle. Sew up end gaps at the bottom. Fold over the top for a neat edge. Attach a button or snap for closure. Decorate with beads or embroidery if desired. Practice tension for even stitches. Keep yarn tension loose but consistent. Count stitches regularly to avoid mistakes. Watch video tutorials for visual guidance. Use stitch markers to keep track of rounds. Keep yarn organized to prevent tangling. Follow patterns carefully for best results. Practice patience as crochet takes time. Join crochet communities for support and advice. Appreciate the therapeutic benefits of crocheting. Take pride in the pouch as a thoughtful gift. Share your crochet journey on social media. Keep a crochet journal to track progress. Thanks for watching this video.